What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to cancel PayPal subscriptions, or in other words cancel automatic payments from PayPal to services that you are subscribed to. To do so, I have the PayPal homepage opened on my computer here on the browser, and I'm signed in with my PayPal account. So what I need to do is go to settings here at the top right, click on it. Then from the panel at the top here, choose payments, click on it. Then from the payments option page, scroll down a bit till you see the automatic payments option, click on it. Now it'll open a page where you have all the services we are subscribed to with PayPal, so that the automatic payments is done through PayPal. On the left here, as you can see, I don't have any service that I'm subscribed to with PayPal. It only shows like suggested merchants or services where I can subscribe to with my PayPal account. However, if you are already subscribed to a service and pay for it using PayPal, it'll show here. You can choose it, and when you open it, you'll see a cancel option here where you can click on it to cancel the automatic payments to this subscription through PayPal.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.